So the mechanism of breathing, it involves the inspiration and expiration, and the diaphragm and a specialized set of muscles, that is external and internal intercostal between the ribs. And inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of thoracic chamber in the atrioposterior axis, like that, in this direction. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of thoracic chamber in the atrioposterior axis, and the contraction of external intercostal muscles that lifts up the ribs. And this is the inspiration. When the air enters into the lungs, the volume of thorax increased, and this diaphragm gets contract, it gets open like that. And in the anterior posterior axis, and this is rib cage. So this is during the inspiration. And when the sternum gets upward and the ribs gets raised, this is the external intercostal muscles. It opens in the thoracic chamber gets increasing the dorsoventral axis, like dorsal up and down, and anterior and posterior, like this one, involves the diaphragm. So the overall increase in the thoracic volume causes a similar increase in the pulmonary volume. So thoracic volume increases, that is the lung volume also reflects. And during the expiration, the air gets out of this thorax and it decreases the thoracic volume, along with ribs and sternum return to the original position, and diaphragm is relaxed, so it arches upward. And when the air enters, it gets contract like this. It increases in length, it decreases in length. And so this is it. And it involves the intercostal muscles. Relaxation of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles